Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Super Techie channel. Today we're going to be downloading and installing the latest Chia version available out there, and this will be Chia 2.5. It's been available for a few weeks now. However, I've been out of the country and I've just returned, and I saw that there is an update, and I'm going to go ahead and update my Chia farm. I do have two farms, one which I've already updated. I just wanted to make sure everything is running smoothly, and I'm going to update my main farmer. And if we just scroll down here on the Chia website over to the release notes, on the release notes, we can see what's been changed with version 2.5. Now, what they mentioned here is that version 2.5 of the Chia reference client is now available for download. This release includes a soft fork for CHIP-36, which adds the keccak256 operator to the CLVM in order to enable support of Ethereum addresses. Upgrade is highly recommended for this release. So it's got also a note here referencing that this release ends the support for Python 3.8, and this is it really. Nothing else is new. Now, for those who don't know what keccak256 is, basically copy and paste this into Google. What is, and you will have here some information on what it is. So keccak256 is a versatile cryptographic hash function that has gained prominence due to its use in various cryptocurrencies, mostly notably Ethereum. And it was developed as part of the keccak family of hash functions. And keccak256 was selected in the NEST function competition winner and later standardized as SHA-3. A brief history here. The development of keccak began in response to the National Institute of Standards and Technologies, NIST, called for a new cryptographic hash function to replace the older SHA-1 and SHA-2 standards as part of the NIST hash function competition, which ran from 2007 to 2012. Cryptographic experts worldwide submitted their designs for evaluation, and amongst those was a keccak family of hash functions created by a team of cryptographers. So if you want to read more about this, feel free, go ahead and do it. Now let's go ahead and update Chia. I did update my other server in Portugal, which is running smoothly without any issues. So I'm not expecting anything to happen here with my UK server. And let's log into this one. Okay, so I've got my Chia server running here, and I am basically, first of all, let's put this in full screen mode, and we are now going to download Chia. So if we move over to the downloads page, click here on downloads. Now we've got the Windows version here, and then click on downloads. It's going to download Chia, as you can see here. Oh, actually, I've already downloaded, but this is how you download Chia if you have not done so before. I'm going to open the downloads folder, and as you can see here, so I've got all of the versions of Chia here that I've previously installed on my farmer. So I'm going to open this up here, and if I go to my farmer, what I'm going to do is exit. Yes. It's going to close Chia. So the version that I've got here is 2.4. So we do need to close it before continuing, as I started the installer. So actually, I don't need Internet Explorer anymore. So just close this up. Okay, right, so Chia is now closed, and I am going now to proceed with the installation, and I have to agree here to the license agreement, and I'm going to select only for my user here, and the destination folder, which is a default folder, and it's now currently installing Chia. Okay, right, so that's completed successfully. Now I'm going to tap here on next, and I'm going to launch Chia. So click on finish to launch. and it's starting up. Okay, right, so now it's asking for my password as I've locked the keyring. I always do this with all of my servers. So enter the password. It's more secure if you do have a password. Okay, starting up, and if I go over to about Chia blockchain, now it's been updated to 2.5 and the blockchain is synchronized, and it's just synchronizing the wallet now. So this is my farming wallet, so I don't really keep any coins here. When I reach a certain amount of coins that I've farmed, then I just transfer everything over to my other wallet, which I only it's a computer that I only power up like once a month or something like that. It's got other wallets as well, etc. So no worries on that one. So yeah, this is it. So 2.5 is installed now. Everything is up and running. And yeah, pretty simple and easy steps to go through. Yeah, all done here, guys. So if you have enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. And if you have not subscribed yet to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button. Catch up on the next one. Take care, guys.